Etihad Airline Lost Baggage. Etihad Airlines Lost Baggage Service assists passengers whose luggage has been misplaced or delayed. Travelers can report missing items upon arrival, and Etihad's dedicated team works diligently to locate and return the luggage. Immediate action and timely updates ensure passengers stay informed throughout the retrieval process. Immediate reporting. As soon as you realize your baggage is lost, report it to the Etihad Airways Lost and Found Desk or Customer Service Desk at the airport. Baggage Claim Form. You will be asked to fill out a Property Irregularity Report, PIR. Provide accurate details about your baggage and its contents. Baggage Tracking. Etihad uses a baggage tracking system. Ask for the reference number of your PIR, which will help you track the status of your lost baggage. Compensation. Airlines, including Etihad, typically offer some form of compensation for essential items if your baggage is delayed for more than a certain number of hours. Baggage Delivery. Once located, Etihad will usually deliver your baggage to your local address or hotel, especially if it was delayed rather than lost. Unclaimed baggage. If your baggage remains untraceable after 21 days, it is officially considered lost, and you can claim compensation. Documentation. Keep all travel documents handy, such as boarding passes, baggage tags, and any other related receipts, as you may need them for the claim process. Travel insurance. If you have travel insurance, notify your insurance company about the lost baggage. Depending on your policy, you might be entitled to further compensation. Follow up. Stay proactive. While the airline will try to locate your baggage, it's essential to follow up regularly with the customer service or baggage department using your PIR reference number. Feedback and complaints. If you're unsatisfied with the way your situation was handled, or if you feel there was a service lapse, you can provide feedback or lodge a formal complaint through Etihad's official channels. In any situation like this, patience is key. It can be frustrating, but staying calm and cooperative will often get you the best results.